See, we don't have a
control
tower.
9 at the Gulf, known as 3 mile long final landing, quickly. Because of the Carolyn, I'm going to do a 360 here to stay clear of you, Joe.
Close choke, engine speed.
Harvey traffic,
Got it.
1.5, or left downwind.
Oil pressure.
We're good?
Landing, please, right.
Transponder.
Warming up.
Huh.
So we're just going to taxi.
Okay.
And Harvey traffic, Skyline 9 at the Gulf, under 2.5 mile long final landing on runway 33.5.
Okay, now you can push that
Harvey
button
traffic,
on
9
yours.
Sierra is 2 miles northwest, 1,700, last call, Harvey.
Oh, amazing.
See, the wind's blowing a little bit from this way, which is crosswind to the runway. So we have to remember that. Taking off is one thing, landing, we have to be especially careful.
Flight control.
Okay,
Elevator trim.
120, all that turned green.
Perfect.
I'm going to actually wait till it gets to 125, let the engine warm up good. And now we're going to go brakes on
Brakes.
and full throttle.
Full throttle.
Harvey traffic, experimental 143, Sierra Foxtrot taking off on 33 right, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Cherokee 02 Whiskey, left base, 33 right, Harvey. Traffic, Cherokee 02 Whiskey, final, 33 right, Harvey.
I keep my hand on the throttle. So that it can't back out accidentally. Make sure it's trimmed out. Airplanes, a lot of times, will fly themselves straight and level if the pilot has it trimmed properly. Okay, now you can talk.
This is so cool. Oh my god.
Okay, this is our speed, 93, and it's knots, not miles per hour, and about 10-11%. This is our altitude, just over 1,000 feet.
Wow.
We're climbing 350 feet per minute.
It's so cool to see Snohomish from the air.
Yeah. That's the skyscrapers of Seattle.
Wow.
Skyscrapers of Bellevue. Mount Rainier.
Gorgeous. Yeah, we were flying up and I was like during no talk time, so I like looked over my school and it looks like weirdly like huge actually from the air. Those are really nice houses, so.
They do well.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you put your hand right there and just follow me along on the controls a little bit. This is really, really twitchy. It's like a little sports car. So right now we're climbing. We're going to go to about 2,000 feet and then level off.
154 going forward to the west. Try and make left traffic for 3 full correct.
But if you want to turn to the right, you slowly do it.
Whoa.
And bring it back to 0. And it'll stay in that turn until you deliberately move it back. And the best way is not to look at your instruments. You want to keep your eyes outside. You can see outside the horizon and whether your wings are level. So we'll go a little bit to the left.
Just go traffic.
Now we're going to throttle back a little bit. We're going to pull her
Yeah, the mountains are gorgeous too.
Oh yeah. Okay, now what you want to do is see how this is hardly moving at all. So we're pretty level. Look at the dash and look at the mountains or the horizon. And if you go up, then that gets smaller. And if you go down, that gets bigger. So you can tell, even without looking at your instruments, if you're pretty much straight and level. And you maintain that even if you're in a turn.
Traffic.
Okay, you have the aircraft.
6 Hotel Charlie, turn left base, runway 27, Joseph County.
Harvey Charlie, Cessna.
Your nose is coming up.
Doing 45-degree maneuver on the right, Harvey.
You do things real slow. You don't react fast.
Chris Traffic, Skyhawk, Philadelphia, final 345.
You're turning to the left. You see the different colors between the grass and the trees?
Yeah.
The dark colors and the light colors make different air currents. So that's where you're going to get some turbulence. So what we want to do is stay in the middle of this light green. Now there you go, you're pointing down a little bit. But that's fine, we're right at 2,000 feet.
Justin County, 6 Hotel Charlie, left call.
Shoot a little video here.
Justin County.
And we'll show them that
Airplane.
your hands are the only ones on the controls.
Oh.
Yeah. You gotta keep looking out. We want to go down the middle.
Justin County, 6 Hotel Charlie.
A little bit to the left. There you go. Just a real gentle turn.
Jefferson County, Lingo 170
Then we'll straighten it out.
8 miles south of the airport, we'll be joining left downwind to
It's always difficult your first time because you're going, well, I want to look, but I also have to be looking out here to control the airplane.
I know, I'm definitely looking on this side too much. I need to...
That's okay. Left a little bit, stay in the middle of the grass area. And 2,000 is just an arbitrary. Doesn't matter, we can go up or down, there's no rule. And you see, by looking out, I'm maintaining that same sight picture, and we can maintain our altitude. I had a Cessna 172, you have the aircraft. I had a 172 at Arlington for over 20 years. I live in Marysville.
I was told that they, it's Gabby and Brian. They were at the
yeah, I talked to them Saturday.
Yeah. Oops.
Okay, we dropped down another 100. No big deal, but I'm just letting you know, you got to watch that nose and the horizon. And then every once in a while you do an instrument scan. See if there's anything that goes wrong with the instruments. These are the engine instruments. Then it'll tell you in your headset.
Harvey Lake 999 Quebec, Quebec, 3 miles south. Gonna maneuver out to the west. Downwind for 33, Harvey.
Okay, just keep the wings level now.
Jefferson County traffic, Cessna 35534, safety 7, Jefferson County.
And make shallow, nice turn. You set up 3, 4, 5 miles away from the airport. and that's where we set up for landing.
Got you.
And we don't go straight in. There's a set pattern.
I just like, I don't know, I feel like I move it too much. Again, it really is just like fidgety.
One of the hardest things is to fly straight and level. That's why I just let the passengers do it. Because the air is always pushing you around.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 35121, taking 30 right via for departure to the north. Harvey.
Harvey, Lake 9, Quebec, Commence left down and 33 right, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Yellow Cub, 5 miles to the northwest, 1100 descending, inbound.
Okay, I'll take over.
Harvey traffic, 796, 9, my crew.
Is it quiet on the way down as well? Like landing?
Quiet?
Quiet landing, yeah. Like, you know how like the cockpit was sterile on the way up?
Oh, yeah, when we get into the pattern area,
Okay.
I'll tell you.
Sounds good. Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Harvey traffic, Skyhook 5100 Golf.
The airplane,
45, inbound 33.
Yeah.
Harvey.
That's the guy who just made the radio call on the 45. Now we're real close to 1,000 feet.
Harvey traffic, Yellow Cub, 2 mile 45, runway 33 Harvey.
There's that guy there.
Harvey traffic, Skyhook 5100 Golf, on the downwind 33 right, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, experimental 143 Sierra Foxtrot, entering the 45 for 33 right Harvey. We have the yellow aircraft about 3 miles behind us in sight.
Traffic.
Traffic, Caravan left crosswind 33.
Traffic.
We'll be turning left downwind and departing to climb straight overhead to 6,000 feet for skydiving, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, 3 Sierra Foxtrots in the downwind for 33 right Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Skyhook 5100 Golf, on final 33 right, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, 3 Sierra Fox turning base for 33 right Harvey. We have the landing traffic in sight.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 78440 is taxiing back to runway 33 for a northbound portion, southbound portion.
Harvey traffic, use caution parachute activity will begin directly over the airport, 6,000 and below in 2 minutes. Use caution parachutes, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Schneider 5220, 2 mile 45, 33 right, Harvey. Harvey traffic, Yellow Cub, left base, runway 23 left in the grass, Harvey.
Ah, he's going in the grass. We're landing on the pavement.
Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder.
Harvey traffic, 3 Sierra Foxtrot final, 33 right Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Skyhawk 5100 Golf, clear 33 right, Harvey.
We want to land a little bit on our left wheel because we got a crosswind coming there. Harvey traffic, 3 Sierra Foxtrot clear.